welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing an updated luxury wish list for 2020. I know I made a video about, honestly, like 2 months ago, and I feel like since then I've gotten items that weren't even on my wish list, and I kind of wanted to do an updated what I've thought about, what I'm planning to purchase for the new year, or what I hope to purchase for the new year, and then also to give you guys an updated giveaway. So this Sunday, January 5th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time will be the closing of my giveaway. I will pick the winner at random. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, follow to my Instagram if you have one. If you do not have one, please comment on my Rent The Runway review video. That is where this giveaway went live and was initially published. Put a comment on that video of your favorite luxury or non-luxury item you hope to achieve. That way I know to keep track of who has entered. Please don't do it on any other video, just do it on the Rent The Runway review video. That way I can make it organized and it can be really easy for me. The winner will receive $100 Visa or through PayPal, whichever method, whatever's the easiest, but the winner will be receiving $100. The winner will be announced January 11th. At that time, they can either, probably would be best is DM on Instagram, or if you don't have an Instagram, just comment down below your email or some form of communication. That way I can get in touch with you and then be able to deliver you that $100. Thank you so much for everyone that has entered so far. If you haven't, please make sure you do. I'm so ecstatic to be able to be giving to you guys, my subscribers, and I want to thank you guys so much for staying with me for the past year. If you're new or not new, just believing in my channel and also just watching my channels week after week. I have been trying to be more consistent, and I hope I have been doing that for you guys. If there's any video or content that you want to see from me, always please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. I definitely want to make content that you guys want to see and that you find beneficial. So without further ado, let's get started on the wish list. My first item, and this has probably been on my wish list from last year and this year, is, and I'm going to say it's going to change because I think a lot of it depends on what I purchased prior and what looks good when I'm in store, and that is the Cartier Love Bracelet. At first I wanted the Love Cuff, and now I ended up seeing the Justin Clue. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted the smaller version of the Justin Clue alongside my John Hardy 18 karat bracelet as well. Once I received this bracelet, I love it. I think it's so unique, and I think it gives the right dimension, and it looks really nice by itself. But once I purchased this item, I thought that maybe the actual flat love bracelet, whether cuff or the actual bracelet, would look a little weird with this. I don't know if that's just me overthinking it. I haven't seen the two together because I recently just purchased this about like 2 months ago. But that was kind of going through my mind of, I don't know now if that will look as nice. And I know I can end up switching them, but usually you're supposed to wear those all the time and not really take them off. And with this, I don't really like taking it off as well. So that was kind of what was going through my head is, well, now since I have this, does it really make sense to have the love bracelet? Or maybe get the Justin Clue? And my friend had just purchased the Justin Clue in the smaller version, and I thought it looked really cute with this. That's why now I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should end up getting the love bracelet or the Justin Clue. I think that will be a surprise for you guys, depending on what I think looks better when I'm ready to purchase it. The next item, which I have also mentioned before, is the Cartier Love Ring. And at first, like I mentioned, I said I wanted the yellow gold wedding band size. I recently went to Cartier and I tried on the wedding band sizes to see what size I was. I actually ended up falling in love with the wedding band version, but the one with one diamond. And I think it just looked really pretty. And I feel like I'm just like all sorts of changing my mind, and I think that's just kind of what happens. But I ended up really liking the white gold version, which I thought I probably be more drawn to the yellow gold, especially from Cartier. I think it looks really nice, it's classy, and it just shines. But the wedding band size in white gold with the 1 diamond actually has the rhodium plating, and that makes it more shiny compared to the white gold in the normal love ring, which has like a more I want to say a silver undertone. That's why I ended up really liking the white gold with the 1 diamond, because I thought it shined so nicely. And I usually end up wearing more white golds and like silver on this hand anyway. And I thought the wedding band size would probably go on my ring finger on this hand, and I would keep my gold jewelry on this side of my hand. So that's why I'm just like unsure, and I wanted to just updated luxury wish list to kind of keep you guys up to date on what I'm thinking about purchasing, and then also to give your opinions. What do you think? You know, do you have these items? What would you recommend? Always wanting to hear from you guys, especially if you guys have this stuff, because then you can give me some insight and maybe give me some clarification on what I should be purchasing. The next item is the Dior or Chanel. I'm gonna stick to one. I don't want to get 2 shoes this year, but who knows? I say that now and then I end up maybe purchasing both. I don't know. But I tried being really precise on what I really wanted this year and kind of making a list and sticking to it. Fingers crossed, we'll see. But I really wanted to be mindful of the items I was purchasing and really sticking to my goals. And I think having this wish list and really sticking to it will make sure that I'm like in the right mindset to like, these are luxury things. These aren't like huge, like I have bigger goals, but I'm saying like for luxury stuff, I think that if I have a wish list or a goal or something I'm achieving toward, then I wouldn't end up maybe getting things that are priced a little lower, but then not actually getting what I said I wanted originally. And I know you guys are probably doing the same, where you have a goal and you're like, I want to get this item, but then you see like 5 other things that like are a lower price point, so you're like, oh yeah, like let me just get this, it's so cute. No, I don't want to do that this year, or I'm going to try to hope not to do that, and just be more mindful of, hey Isabel, this is what you decided to get this year, like let's just stick to it, and then once you get those, then think about the other items, but let's just stick toward getting what you wanted initially, because then you're just going to keep having these things on your wish list and they're not going to go away if you keep just like, I don't want to say splurging, but getting things you also really want, but what it wasn't like the priority at the time, because then it would have been on your wish list, if that makes sense. And comment down below if you guys have done that, because I feel like that was done a lot. Even when I made the initial wish list video, I ended up making a wish list and then literally getting this bracelet, my Chanel wallet, which I wanted that wallet for a long time. I didn't put on my wish list, but I did want it for a long time. And I love these items. I'm saying things come up, and obviously like if I really, really like it, I will purchase it, but I'm really trying to be more mindful for 2020. Next item will be either, again, a Van Cleef and Arpels necklace. Like I love the David Yurman necklace I have, and I wear it a lot. And I actually love these. I've had these for like a few years now too, and they're like white gold bracelets with diamonds. But I'm thinking maybe I want to mix it up or just add some more bracelets to my jewelry collection. I was either thinking of getting the Van Cleef and Arpels Vintage Onyx Alhambra, or maybe getting the Alhambra bracelet version, or you can see this luxury wish list was, it's definitely not complete, but that's why I need your guys' help, because I'm like so indecisive right now. Or I was thinking of getting the Cartier Amulette in like the orange color. I forgot the stone, but I'll put pictures either here or here, obviously throughout this video. And I really like that one in person as well. I also ended up seeing, going backwards to the ring, the Tiffany ring with the mother of pearl, and then like, so one side said like Tiffany and mother of pearl, and then the other Tiffany T had diamonds. I thought that was really cute too. So I've been seeing so many cute things, and I'm just gonna let you guys know this year my luxury purchases will most likely 90% be on jewelry. I'm really focusing on jewelry this year because I found it's what I get the most use out of. I can wear it to work. Certain bags and maybe shoes I really can't get that much use out of because I'm working. I feel like jewelry, it doesn't really matter. I can just wear it and mix and match it, and that's fine. So I really want to focus on jewelry this year. That's why I feel like I've been looking at a lot of jewelry and being really indecisive with jewelry, because I know I could have a bunch, but I just want to, like I said, be mindful of what I'm purchasing this year and really have a list and sticking to it. So any of your thoughts down below on what you think I should get this year, or jewelry pieces that maybe I haven't even talked about that you guys love and you guys get a lot of use out of, definitely let me know down in the comment section, because I'm super indecisive right now. And I thought I would film this video because it'd be like a quick, easy 2020 wish list, and also to announce the giveaway, because next video will be the giveaway winner, so stay tuned. I think I'm gonna end it here because I feel like I've given you enough on my luxury wish list, and hopefully you guys have some insight for me. Next video, I think I'm going to be doing the updated wear and tear on my Christian Louboutin Eloise heels in 85 millimeters. I love those heels, so definitely stay tuned for that video, because I think if you are looking for your first pair of heels or heels that are comfortable, this is a pair you should have, because they're super comfortable. And trust me, I don't wear heels. I do not walk in heels. I am 100% a flat person, and these are my first real like big girl heels, because I don't really like wearing heels. I think that for me, if I feel like I'm walking in them and they don't, like I look silly walking in them, then I don't want to obviously walk in them, and I don't want to spend money on walking silly. But with this version of Christian Louboutins, and they are a newer version, they really are comfortable on my feet, and I walk fine in them. I don't feel like I'm thinking about walking or anything like that. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please. I'm at, I think, 660 or 659 subscribers. And like this video if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!